Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. Today is the 1st of May 2023 and today is a public holiday in Sweden. And I think the 1st of May is a day where many countries are having a day off, so let me know how it is in your country. Is it a so-called, what we call in Sweden, a red day or not? A red day means, it's like marked red on the calendar, so it means off. So that's why it's a bit weird. A lot of the shops are closed and a lot of people doing other activities. So it was a very surreal image this morning. This morning, 10 minutes ago here on Central Station. Because I was on the train track, I was on the perron. I have a brain freeze. Anyway, I was walking around there and I was almost the only one getting off the train. So yeah, that does not happen very often at 9 a.m. So it was very surreal. But especially on a Monday, which is like the busiest day of the week usually. Is it Monday today? Yeah, I think it is. But it's another special day because what are we doing, people? We are going to Kungsträdgården. Yes, it's finally time to check out the cherry blossoms. It's one of the most requested videos. And it's also one of the most popular type of videos in general for walking channels. It doesn't matter if it's New York or Tokyo or, I don't know, Moscow or wherever. Walking videos, it's a tradition. You gotta film the cherry blossoms because it kind of symbolizes the spring, right? Now it's May, now the spring starts. But there is a but. I'm not gonna lie, it is freezing cold today. I don't know what it is. I don't think I'm getting sick. I just think spring hasn't really properly started yet. Because you can see it also in the way people are dressed. They're still wearing beanies, some people still wearing gloves. I'm like, ooh. I can see a lot of the tourists because the tourist season is starting. Now it's May. They're walking around and I see it on their face. They're like, ooh, Stockholm is cold. Yes. So it's not short season yet, people, which annoys me because I want shorts. T-shirt and shorts, and it's still, I'm not wearing a winter jacket. But to be honest, I should have worn a winter jacket because it's only like 4 degrees or something. It's cold. So here we're walking on Klarabergsgatan and this is Nils Ferlin. Hello, I think he's a poet or something. Or a writer, something like that. I learned that on one of my previous walks because I walked here before a long time ago and then I couldn't really remember or know who it was, but now you know how it is. Wikipedia for the win. I love Wikipedia. Shout out to Wikipedia. You can look up everything. There's one little downside is sometimes the information is not really correct, what they say anyway, so you have to be careful and not just assuming that everything that you read is correct. But that goes for everything. We don't even need to talk about social media because false information on social media is a massive problem with all these conspiracy theories and all kind of stuff. And what I think is the worst? Influencers that give medical advice. Oh my god, I can't believe it. So you're an influencer and you're like, let's say like working out, and then they start giving you advice on like diet pills and stuff and what's healthy for you or not, and vitamins and this and that, just to earn money, right? And I'm like, are you a doctor? No. Shut up then. If you don't have a medical degree, don't give medical advice. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah. Anyway, sorry for the rant. I'm on my way to the cherry blossoms. Oh, that was hilarious. Oh, sorry folks. So yeah, there's a few people still because it's a day off. And I think the most people you see around here right now are actually tourists either from Sweden or abroad, but I think like the general Swedish person is not here at the moment. Like yesterday was Valborg, another celebration, so which I also filmed, by the way. But yeah, you will see that video later. Anyway, I'm sorry people, I don't know why, but my camera stopped recording, so I don't know if I missed 5 seconds or 3 minutes, but let's just continue to walk. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. So yes, we are here around Plattan, aka Sergels Torg, and the fountain is on. Yes, it's a real sign of spring. You see it everywhere in Stockholm. The fountain. Even in Sollentuna, where I'm from, you know, the fountain usually goes on the 1st of May in the parks and things like that. So that's a real nice sign. So yeah, the only thing is still missing, that it's at least 10 degrees too cold for my liking in spring. It should be like 18 degrees now, but it's only like 8 degrees in the day. So yeah, I don't know what's happening this spring. Oh, we got the fountain over there. Let me just check the fountain and see how deep the water actually is. I don't think I've ever shown that on the channel. The problem is with this fountain, always makes me feel like I have to pee. The sound of a fountain makes me want to pee. Do you have that as well? See, it's not very, it's quite shallow. I felt like, is it gonna rain? But no, it's a few drops, I think, from the fountain. I don't think I've ever did a close-up here of the fountain. It's quite cool because, you know, there's a lot of things going under here, right? There's a lot of shops here. Alright, let's cross. Be careful. I don't know why that is happening. Like when it gets colder, my camera stops recording sometimes. And this is a cold morning, so yeah. On our way to Kungsträdgården. Kung means king, träd means tree, and Gordon means like garden. So you could say it's like the royal garden, something like that, roughly translated. Kungsträdgården. A trädgård is like, you know, behind your house, your garden. So we're passing Gallerian. So yeah, I'm taking a regular day off from work today, like most people on the 1st of May. So chat gang, what's up? You have any plans for today? Any fun activity? Let me know. Or even better, what's the tradition on the 1st of May? Is there any, like, you know, in your area where you're from? Do they do markets? Do they do anything fun? Let me know. Oh, they're doing a big rebuild here. Didn't see that before. So, after this I'm just gonna go home and do absolutely nothing. I'm actually not with the children today. They're doing something with their mom, so I'm just gonna chill and lie on the couch. That's gonna be fun. Eat some snacks. You gotta do that sometimes as well, right? I am not good in general and not doing anything, but yeah, sometimes it's nice. I like to keep on moving and do stuff. Even when I'm at home, usually I just you know, tidying up or something, or you know, just keep myself busy in some way or another. One way or another, you have to say. That's the expression. So yeah, we're closing in here to Kungsträdgården. Kungsträdgården is not just a nice place with the cherry blossom and things, but it's also a bit of a social hub, right? I mean, there's a lot of events here. In the winter, they have the ice rink. You know, in the summer, they have a youth festival. They have all different types of cultural activities, markets, concerts, demonstrations. You name it. Here in Kungsträdgården, there's a lot happening. So yeah, you should check out online. You know, if there's anything fun to do with Kungsträdgården, and if not, you know, just have an ice cream. Okay, we are here, and it's blossoming, people. Yes, check it out. Oh yes. See, everyone's taking pictures, and even here the fountain is on. Yes, lovely. Everyone's posing. It's really funny. Well, I'm one of them. So. Quite busy here, but not as busy as it gets, like in the on Saturdays. Nice and pink color. It's not even that big here, it's quite a small area, but it's just two nice lanes full of cherry blossom, aka Sakura. I think Tokyo is the most famous for this. They have thousands, if not more, of these trees. Oh, I like the fountain, it looks so nice. You see a lot of people doing real photo shoots here as well. If you come here at 8 in the morning or whatever, you see like models and professional photographers like shooting here. Nice. The doggy. And there we got the big stage at the end, right? I was talking about some activities, and I think there's actually some today. I think they're almost at the full blossom. Probably if you give it about a few days more, I think they're even opening slightly more. So I'll probably do another one, a little shorter version on Instagram or YouTube Shorts later on. And I will also visit the other two big cherry blossom spots in Stockholm. One which is Lummen in Hammarby Sjöstad, and the other one is Ubistorget, I think it's called, on Södermalm. And there's another few smaller ones. I think there's one on Långholmen, and yeah, you know, a few other trees here and there, of course. And in the suburbs there's a few good spots as well, but yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth to go all the way down for. Okay, what's happening there? Where's there someone in underwear standing? Okay, what is happening? I'm not even gonna film that. That's really weird. Some lady doing some photo shoot in underwear and a bikini, so let's not. YouTube will block me if I film that. See a lot of smiles, it's fun, everyone's happy. This is what I mean, this lady is like really posing. It's fun. Oh, the chefs came as well. Everyone's like hashtag. Okay, what you should do is right now go to Instagram or whatever, TikTok or whatever, and go like hashtag Kungsträdgården, and then select them on latest post. You see all these people that you see here, and see if you find one of these people here. See if you recognize one, because they're all uploading it to their Instagram. So all these people you see here, they probably go hashtag Kungsträdgården. Like this one. So here they have a few chessboards, smaller ones. But here they have the big one. Oh, here's some music at the back. Oh yeah, some music. That's always good. All right. Let's not overcomplicate today's walk. It's a bit shorter than usual, but it's wonderful. So I can go home and do nothing. That's what I want to do. All right. Thank you for watching this short little video with Körsbärsblomma. Yes. I should finish up with an ice cream, but the problem is not really ice cream weather. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I give you a thumbs up. Please leave me a thumbs up as well, and I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.